How do you keep your dog from chewing up all your shoes? Come here. Ow. So first things first, if your dog is a young puppy, we have a lot of maturity to happen here, so that's part of the issue. So what you want to do is keep your dog on a leash. We want to keep them tethered to you. So wherever you go, the dog goes. When given the opportunity to go grab a shoe and chew on it with no interruption, they're going to do it, especially if it's a crock and it's crunchy. So, dog on a leash, tethered to you. You can use a carabiner clip, clip that leash on the handle, clip it to your pants, and keep direct supervision on your dog. If they are chewing up things, getting into stuff they shouldn't, your dog is more than likely had a little too much freedom too fast, so you got to scale back on that.